We're at the grocery store.
Yes.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I can do this for 30 days. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You got this.
My wedding is like 90 days away. So here's to a nice lifestyle change.
Helper. All right.
Deanna sent me like what I can and can't have. So I'm gonna get some almond butter. Right?
Ew, yeah, that's what it is. Almond butter. You have so many options.
Oh, is this considered almond?
No, that's hazelnut butter. That's like Nutella.
Yeah, is this Whole30?
No.
Are you positive?
I'm pretty positive.
What if I get one and I text it to Deanna and ask?
Okay, fine.
Okay. I can do that. Okay, and then what's almond butter?
Alex loves chocolate, so anything we can find close to that. All of that is almond butter. You can't do that. That's chocolate.
Almond butter.
I know, but it doesn't say.
Choose what you want to read.
It doesn't say chocolate almond butter on the list.
I only see almond butter. Okay.
It's like as big as my head.
Okay.
What's next?
Lime. I can use lime.
Okay guys, Alex is obsessed with lime. Like anytime I get her lunch, it's like you can't not have lime on it. Always.
I'm Cuban.
That guy just looked at me like I was crazy for having a camera in my hand in the grocery store. The things I do for Alex and her vlogs, you know? No, unsweetened. That's what it says. Well, unsweetened almond milk is still good. It's still kind of sweet. Okay, go.
Okay, so it says I can have coconut water, which I'm a fan of the chocolate kind.
Doesn't count.
So
I'm just looking out for you. I'm supposed to be here for moral support.
Then do it with me.
Okay. No.
Okay, anyway, what I was saying, coconut water, I'm gonna get my chocolate, what is it?
Chocolate Cocoa Vito or whatever.
And I'll just see if I'm allowed to have it. I'll text Deanna, and if I'm not allowed to have it, then
she's gonna laugh at you.
I'll wait.
I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Alex has found her die-hard loving.
I'm gonna get two just in case she says yes.
Okay. You and your chocolate, you're like a chocolate freak. What? I'm just... Okay. The lime.
I'm so excited.
Might as well stock up now. Alex is the lime princess. Look at all your limes.
This is gonna make my next 30 days totes easy.
There. What you got there?
Well, a lot of people told me about cauliflower rice because it's one of my weaknesses. So I'm gonna try it.
It's gonna taste just as good, if not better, because it's healthy, right?
Yeah. Hopefully. So I asked Deanna if I was allowed to have the coconut water that Lex said I wouldn't be able to have, and I am. So in your face, Lex. However, I'm not allowed to have the hazelnut butter, which I'm really bummed about. So, not too happy about that. But I win, kind of. So I just left the juice bar and I am in day 7 of the Whole30. I need to get a lot better at meal prepping, that is for sure. I feel like I ran out of time too much, but it's not as hard as I thought. Instead of coffees, I do drink a juice in the morning for the caffeine. And then what else? I've lost, like, as to this, like, shredding for the wedding, I've lost 8 pounds. So I do feel a lot better about myself. I am happy with how I literally just got off the couch and started working out, started walking at first. Now I'm working out with some coworkers and I feel really good about myself. So thank you guys so much for the motivation, and stay tuned for my meal prepping vlog because I need to get better at that. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Tartelettes.